Hi, so this video is also going to be about building raster mosaics, but this follows on the previous one, which went through the step-by-step instructions and introduces you to a little model slash tool that I put together that makes the process somewhat easier. Not completely automated, but somewhat automated. So I will point you towards this tool that you can take advantage of. So the location is not important for the moment of where I'm getting this, but I will edit my mosaic model. And this has some inputs that you'll need to change. The image geodatabase you'll need to update just once to make sure the path is correct for you. And then the actual input or output name of the mosaic and input data you'll need to update each time you run this model. So first we look in here, and for me this has the path in my lab 3 folder to my image geodatabase, which you will have already created, so that's fine. Leave that the same. And right now I'm going to create a 30-meter slope mosaic from the reclassified slope layers. So I'm going to open this up, and I'm seeing right now it's been set up to run the last thing I did, which was the elevation reclass 30-meter mosaic. So I'm going to just change that name to slope, and I need to change my input data. So this needs to be changed to a data set because we're making this mosaic out of raster data sets. I need to trash all previous data sources or previous input data and add in what I want to make a mosaic of. So this time it's going to be slope. Where is that? There's some slope. Okay, so I named it. It's my reclassified slope outputs from the DTM. So I'm going to add those guys, and that's all there is to it. And so this is going to go through those 3 steps which you've done previously of creating an empty mosaic, adding the rasters to that mosaic, and calculating statistics such that you can actually view the output. Don't worry about these names over here. They don't reflect the actual input data. They simply are the names of the little bubbles themselves. So now I will run this guy. And good to go. So let's see what we got. So I created it in this image geodatabase. I will refresh. Got my slope mosaic. Bring it out here. See how it looks. Okay, that looks pretty good. So it's this reclassified one, so it only has low slope and high slope, or vice versa, because it's just been reclassed from the actual information. So that's all there is to it.